Hello friends, in the previous video we have covered this section and this one we stop here. Let me make in this video we make this code container, this one like this one. Let me just start it. First of all we go on the here inside here. Let me delete all these things, or we can do one thing, just copy all this here and go on the JavaScript file. Here I make one variable HTML code, and inside that I inserted all this code. Yeah, now see, let me make this formatting first. We can cut here, paste here also. Now we have done this formatting. Here I was deleted, let me add. Now see, this types of format I think I want to like a doc type, and here you can see this types of doc type. Now we make this design, first of all we make this types of a design here, then we insert all this code inside this. First of all we make this like this. For that, first of all I want to give this background color like this types of a for that here I want to make all this first of all I want to make what is the color code. Right click here, go on the inspect, and let me first check the what is the color code. Here I click and open the here, let me just copy this color code and go on the top section. Here I make in the style.css, go on the top section. Here I give the this is E7 somewhere, no, okay, I give the here BS code editor surrounding. Code editor outside, not a surrounding, outside, and make this like outside color, only that much. Let me just copy this color code and add in the last section. This right part here I want to add this, add and paste me, let me check, and I want to some other we can check later. Let me just see. Okay, this color code is added. Now I want to make giving the this box side surrounding, see this types of background shadow. For here I give the box shadow -5 pixel, -5 pixel, 10 pixel, RGB 0, 0, 0, 0.5. After that give the comma, again copy this all, again paste it. After that here somewhere let me remove this minus here, and here also let me check in our section. Okay, this is box shadow, okay, 40 pixel, and these are coming. Box is not looking properly, let me just okay, here is this, remove this. Yeah, now see these are coming, and these are too much dark, let me little bit here give the 0.5 to 1. Yeah, here also 1. Now done, and give the box border radius will be 5 pixel. Yeah, now see we have covered this section as like this, but here this length is more as compared to our one, and for that let me just increase this width will be here. Now come and here this is HTML section. Here I give the this will be 40, this will be also 40, or we can give the this height is okay, this little bit not here is the top sign, see margin not, but here our section has a margin. Let me remove also this. This is left section in the top side here. Okay, this margin already removed. Then why I want to make this big text very h1. This is a mediocre. Okay, let me just copy all this first, and here inside the media query I give the font size will be 70, 80, yeah, 80 will be okay for now, and this width will be cover approximately, left side will be cover 30, and right side will be cover 50, and we give the left and right side little bit margin like this types of a 50 pixel. For that in the HTML here I give the margin 0 from the left right and 50 pixel, 0 from the top and bottom, 50 pixel left right. Now let me just see. Okay, why these are okay, this will be coming. I give the make this padding. Okay, and this will be coming much more, make 40, and here give the 45, and this height is I think too much, reduce this height. For that we can give the here 20 pixel from top and bottom, or we can give the 30 pixel. Yeah, now 30 pixel is almost done, and I want to all this content in the center, and for that here I use the justify content space bit space around. We can use space justify content center, or we can use the space between, if space evenly. Let me just see which one is better. Okay, space evenly is I think good, and something here I want to reduce this 20. Let me just see 1, or we can give the 0. Yeah, if I give the here 0 then also okay, and as like this here I want to give 40, little bit more. Yeah, this height will be little I think much more. Let me just increase this height. Where is HTML head? I give the 480. Let me give the uh, if the screen size is increased, this height will be also increased. We give that this height will be where is 500. Let me just see. Yeah, and okay, inside that I want to insert all this types of a text. For that we can do, and I think I want to increase more this font size. Okay, now done. And I was given this cover 40 pixel. Here I was forgot to give the 100 pixel, and this width be above this. And when I will reduce this screen size, let me just see. Why this content is not center in the left align. Here I was giving the relative. Here I want to also give the display flex, justify content center, alignment item center. Yeah, now let me just see. Okay, see, now here this height will be gone, and for that I want to also give this height. Here I want to, if remove this alignment item, now see automatically height will be taken. And when I was reduce this, okay, all the content will be now center taking automatically. Inside that I want to insert all this code, and this for now I want to insert all this code. Here I was created this, remove this, and inside this is a editor. Let me design this editor first. Come in the style.css file, and here I was right part. Inside that I can design. Here I give the editor, and background colors first of all white. We give the red for the checking purpose. After that give the height will be 100%. Okay, nothing will be displayed. Let me just insert. Yeah, see. Okay, now it will be coming. And why these are not coming? Okay, inside the right part I was not giving the padding will be approximately 10 pixel, 15 pixel, 20 pixel. Yeah, 20 pixel is done. And after that I was not giving the height will be 100%. And here also height, this right part is taken. Let me just see. Okay, here 500. Okay, inside this if I inserted multiple tags randomly, now okay, now these are coming. And inside that I want to make a give the minimum height will be 100%. And why these are not taking? If I give the 500 pixel, yeah, and give the max height will be 100%. It will be 400. Total width will be, height will be, sorry, let me check, 500. Then I give the approximately 300, 280 pixel. Yeah, now this will be done, and I want to little bit this text will be up, I think. Yeah, and for that in the h1 here I was giving the margin and this padding. In the left side I was given the padding, let me, top and bottom side 0. Yeah, now this will be coming automatically. Here I want to only add the 5 pixel, and now I'm on also make this btn. Here first of all I make this will be white. Yeah, and giving the border, left side will be 2 pixel solid, and use the variable name this background color. If I give 5 pixel, yeah, now see this code editor as like this one. And here I want to give little bit shift here, and for that I want to make this is a 45, we give the 42. Yeah, 42 is okay for now, and this will be shifting, where is right, the estimate space around, let me just see. Yeah, now this will almost here. Let me off this night mode. Now this will be created, inside that I want to insert, and first of all make this btn. Let me just, okay, I give that this class name will be, I give the editor, class name will be editor btn. Yeah, just copy this. After that come here, here I can, I think somewhere, okay, everywhere background color is green. For that come in the here, I can directly add inside this. In the media query I can give the background color will be variable, and this will be green, and color will be white. Let me use the variable and white. Yeah, and after that I want to remove the border, none. Okay, and giving the font size will be approximately 18 pixel. Yeah, and font weight 550. Okay, 500 is okay. And after that I give the padding, top bottom 5 pixel, left right give the 20 pixel. Now yeah, and little bit more, give the 30, and here give the 10. Okay, now I want to give little bit space from the top section. For that here give the margin from the top will be approximately 10 pixel, 20 pixel. Let me just see this code editor. Okay, this code editor little bit more height, let me give here. For that I want to increase this 520. Yeah, Now see, and this button will be, let me just give the border radius will be 50 pixel. And okay, now these are looking as like this one. Okay, little bit more, we get the padding from the left right 40 pixel. Okay, or now inside there, see, this types of by default has a padding. For that, here I want to add a padding will be 10 pixel. Yeah, inside that I want to insert a this types of a text. For that, first of all I want to go on the here which I was previously copy all this code, and only I want to insert all this code inside this. For that, here I make a one give this id html code, uh, html code, we can give the html code. Okay, just copy this and come in the script file, and here I want to insert, first of all make variable and give the html code element. After the document dot get element by id, and just paste this id name. After that, here give the html tags, or we can add the inner tags equal to this html code element, this one. Now let me just see here. See, this code is auto inserted, but here one problem is, see, this types of a we not have a color, and for that, yeah, and we can, let me just try to add color is taking or not. For that, come here, I want to add a span tag, and after here span, close span tag. Okay, this color will be not be added like that. I was not copy html code, copy here. We have inserted this much code, and for the coloring purpose you can use the any IDE, or here I use the only simple CSS. You can use another one. Let me just add this link also. Just copy this first and go on the this btn. Here I want to add convert this in the form of a anchor tag, and here I want to add h reference, and inside that paste this URL. Let me just come here. Okay, this will little bit up. Here I give the display block, and here give the inner line block. Yeah, and this will be coming text decoration none, and increase a little bit font size. We give the 20, 30, 25, 22. Yeah, 22 is fully okay. And when I was click, see, this code editor will be open. We have make like this. I think I was close. Let me just open, and with live server. Now see, we have created this this one, and now inside that let me just create like this also. For that we can do one thing. This is right part and this is section. Let me just collapse this, just copy this first and paste again here, and here I was come. See, exact copy will be coming here. And for that this will be the not a HTML, this will be the CSS. Just copy this CSS, and here I want to add a background color some other. For that I can give uh, BG yellow. Let me just see. Yeah, now see, and here little bit this up is coming. Okay, this background color has some by default. mm, Let me just this copy this CSS and come here. Okay, now here I give the this is section CSS, just paste this. After that give the background color will be variable used. I give the yellow color. Let me just see where is. Yeah, now see, and here you can see we have a little bit this gap is coming because we have a in the previous video we have little bit up. That's why. Let me just see where I was giving the up. In the here position. Okay, here in some top I give the 5 pixel. Let me just remove. Okay, now this will gone, and again this line will be coming. For that I can do let me just give the SVG padding 10 pixel. Margin 0. We can make a here another div tag. Let me just keep here. I can make another div and giving the class name will be SVG bug. Let's copy this here. And this is margin is coming which side in the section. This section I think somewhere taking a border. The section border. All the section will be position relative and little bit come top -5. Or not, just copy this here again. this space is again coming, we can expand this space by here. I give the 90. Position relative top -5. Okay, now this will be done, and let me just make this one. Here I give the display flags, justify content space around, and after that alignment item center, and this will be not taking much more. I give the height will be approximately 500, and before that I give the padding will be top side will be 40 pixel, and if not, we give the 600, and padding taking 100. Left right will be 0. Yeah, this will done, and inside that I want to change something. First of all, I want to remove these things, this CSS. Let me come here, and here this is a CSS part. I want to remove which first of all you give the change CSS. After that I want to give the okay, this is a styling, web styling, for styling, and this here I want to change this in the form of a CSS, and a video I want to remove this. Okay, here reference CSS reference, and get certificate is okay. Let me just see both color are proper. Yeah, now I want to only change the link. Let me click here, open with, and here copy this and change this CSS. Again close this and right click, open here, copy this, change here. For the CSS, let me just copy here, copy this and paste here, and here see we have covered this CSS part. And now inside that I want to insert a code. For that we can do just copy this again and come in the script art. Here I want to give again const CSS code and equal to, use the tilde symbol. Inside that I paste all this code, and for now here I want to give space. After that I want to come index.js. Here I was given the HTML code. Let me change this CSS code, CSS, and remove this random text, no need of this. for the reading purpose only I was giving. And here also you can remove. Just copy this first. This is a id name for the, and here I want to also change css. Let me just key okay, css example, and here also these are coming. And inside that I want to insert, come here, and this let me just copy this again and press the alt. You can down anywhere, and here I want to change this variable name and this class name. After that just copy this, paste here, and let me just see this code is coming. Okay, I was not given. If I was giving this here, yeah, now see this code name and this code name is coming, but only one problem is color will be not changed. For that you can use the, if you know the code mirror, you can use this code mirror editor for here, then this color will be also getting. In this video we are not using for that. Now this will be done. Again I want to make this JavaScript, and for that come here again and copy this CSS part again, and here I want to make again this part. Okay, here you can see one more is coming. Only I want to change first of all this this is a JavaScript, and what is happening here, you can see content will be out of for that let me, okay, I was given, okay, this will be 100 pixel T. Yeah, now okay, and all these tags will be written about this. Let me just first of all check this is responsive or not. Okay, these were almost responsive. I think here top and bottom more margin incoming as compared to this one. See, for now it's okay, we can remove this margin, don't worry. And here I want to make this, just come here and copy this and come in the style.css. Here I want to copy again and paste this. All things are common, only I want to change the color. First of all change it, then I can show you some other idea. And here I want to give the black color. Let me just see. And now here I can just separate all this code. First of all just copy this, because I want to give this are same. Again I want to give this JavaScript also, copy this and paste here. Now inside that I want to all these common things just copy, cut here and paste here. Now you can see automatically it will be coming. And here this code is not coming because here I was not inserted code. And why? Let me just see why this is not coming. Okay, CSS code, okay, ID is single, that's why. And now I want to add much more button which are in the JavaScript. First of all just copy this, all the text inside this white, and for that and here I want to change this, and this program will be copy this, paste here. After that I want to learn JavaScript here, and JavaScript reference here I want to give. After that I want to give the this get certificate. All this will be done, and after that let me just see this color will be not change. For that come here I want to give the color will be white. We can use the variable. Yeah, now see all this color is coming, but here see all this variable, this font size is too much. For that we can do in the here, let me just see first. Okay, h1 has a 90, we give the 80. Yeah, now it's okay. And this JavaScript is for that this all bottom are same, and here I give the, let me just do somewhere, this is padding margin, and with link I was giving the link will be here. Okay, this will be the, I can add one more things. Max width will be 250. Two 70. Just comment why this was not coming. We can give the max width will be fit content. Okay, now this is like this, and max fit content, give the max fit content, and all these bottom will be not taking exact height as like its parent, and for that we can here only give the width will be 100%, and yeah, see, and let me just see the code. And here you can add the max width will be approximately 200, and 210, yeah, 30 will be done. And this background color is not I want to also change it. For that let me just change this background color. Come here, I was added the this okay, this background color will be white. Okay, bg white is some css or not, let me just check. Top section bg back, okay, bg white is not available. Let me just create this bg white, and this background color will be bs white. After that color will be black. Yeah, now let's check. Okay, now see, this will coming, and because of this color will be, see, this is also white. For that I want to change this color. Let me just come down. Here I want to give this color will be some different, and inside the code editor I want to give color every time will be black. And these are not taking. Okay, this is outside, that's why. We can go in the left side, just copy this here I want to give. Yeah, now see. Okay, now this is coming, and inside that I want to insert a JavaScript code, this part. For that just copy this here, and again I want to come in the script file at the bottom section. Here I make a one variable const, and here I give the JavaScript code. After that use the tilde symbol, and inside that paste the code. After that again I want to just copy this. This is your same, only I want to change this ID. For that come here, and where is this code editor? Okay, this is JavaScript file. Here I want to change JavaScript, and copy this ID name, come here, and here I want to change this ID, and you can change also here, and just copy this and paste here. And I want to change something. Yeah, see, now this code is out inserted here, and here I want to give up, and inside this when I was click it will be go on the home. Okay, I was forgetted to change the link in the CSS, and this CSS, this btn, let me first change this. When I was click here, copy this, change this link, and again I want to change the JavaScript also. When I was click here, copy this link, this is a JavaScript btn, just copy and paste here. Now I want to here give the JavaScript. Let me just check in our section. Okay, I was closing my tab, let me open. Yeah, now we have done this part, and we have completed this one. And okay, this hovering effect is not take. Okay, now this will be done, and we have completed this part. And something I want to make here come, and in this HTML I was giving the height. Now just remove this first. I see you everywhere where I was given the height, just remove, give the another idea. For that here remove this also, and right part, and this code editor, and here also this height, remove this. Now see, our code will be properly as like this. Automatically space from the top and bottom side is coming. We can, I think somewhere this height is taken, that's why. Let me just remove editor. I was given the font size, height, decoration, editor, height, that's why. Now let me just remove. Yeah, now automatically it will be, size will be reduced and up, depend on the, and it's like this one, this one, this one. Okay, these are taking, why these are not taking? Let me just see, somewhere I was forgot it. HTML height is 520. I was keep this. Okay, here I was added how much padding. Just copy this padding again and add here. Yeah, and why these are not taking full width? Let me just see. This height will be 100%. Editor height will be, okay, this background color, let me just see, red background. And this left part, how much? Red. Then why these are not equal? This one is, and this one. Okay, and here after that we have a 1 2 spaces, that's why. Let me just give, and 1 2, and also give 3 4. Yeah, now done. And remove this background color, and this left section also. Okay, now see, this all company. Let me just go on the another part. CSS, JavaScript done, and Python, SQL, 2 section is remaining. And let me just complete first this, and here I want to copy again this part and paste here. First of all, I want to change after JavaScript or Python. Let me change this. This will be the Python. Copy this first, come the script file, go on the bottom section. Here I want to again add this, and for the coloring purpose here I make another, and give this background color will be, I think, pink. Let me check, pink color, and here again check, Okay, light pink, not a dark. Let me just see. Light pink is available. Okay, light pink is not available. For that, here I just copy. Where is pink? This one. And here after that I make a light. Let me just make this. Or we can do here, right click, go on the inspect, and let me just what is the color of background? Okay, VSW like pink. Just copy this and F3 and copy this light pink variable name. Go on the bottom section. Here paste this. Now close this and go on the here. Now see, as like this one we have created, and yeah, here JavaScript. And for that I can do one thing, and this will be, this is a Python. Here I want to change the Python. Again I want to add this code, copy this, paste here, and learn Python. Now this will be done, and again I want to change this Python reference. For that, here I want to change a Python reference and get certificate. Now I want to change all this link. For that, right click, new tab, right click, new tab, right click, new tab. First for Python, just change this, and again second one is this. Copy this, come here and copy this certificate one and paste here. And this is not a white. Let me just see, just close this one, and this is a actual Python. This is a black. For that, here I want to give bg black. Now let me see. Okay, now see, this will be automatically coming inside that. No code, that's why not coming. And here I want to give little bit padding, because see, these are not taking too much space. Here coming in the right side, I want to add a padding top bottom approximately 10 pixel. Or we can add one more padding. Bottom section is approximately 20 pixel. Yeah, now see, now look good. For inside that, inserting the code, I want to come in the HTML file. First of all, here I want to change this class ID name. Here I want to give this ID name will be Python, and just copy this ID, come in the JavaScript here, and after that I want to here make one variable. Inside that we insert all this code, and after that I make don't no need of these variables. This one you can also remove this also, and yeah, no need of this. We can, because we can insert directly. And here also, and we can use a document dot get element by id. Inside that, just paste this. After that, inner text, and it will be equal to this Python code. Just copy this here, paste here, and inside that I want to paste the code. For that, come here, copy this and paste here, and again I want to give, let me just see, Yeah, now see, these are done, and I want to change all this button. Let me just see, this JavaScript is going on the JavaScript. Yeah, this is going on JavaScript for Python. Let me go back. Python, click here, copy this and come here, and this is a Python. Yeah, okay, now our section is done. This Python, let's go on the last part, is our this SQL, and for that just copy again this one and here paste this, and let me just change this SQL and copy this SQL, come in the style.css, go on the bottom section. Here I want to add again this class name, and for the coloring, go on the bottom here, paste this, and let me just see the background color is available, this blue color. Yeah, not available. For that, right click, go on the inspect, and let me just search the what is the background color. Yeah, here just copy this and go on the top section. I want to add a variable. Here I add the bs blue and paste this color code and copy this variable name, go bottom, paste this inside this. Let me just see this color is coming or not, and close this tab. Okay, now this is coming, and here I want to change, just copy SQL, paste here, and this language, and where is here, and this is okay, learn is available. I want to change only SQL. After that, this reference SQL, and again third one is get certificate is okay. Now I want to change all the link. For that, right click, new tab, right click, new tab, right click, new tab, copy all these links one by one and paste here. Here also copy this here, and one more here, and paste here. Now this part is done, and let me close all this. See, okay, this will be done, and here I want to insert, okay, I was forgetted, see, after the JavaScript I was forgetted to change this name. Let me change. Here I want to give the Python, and after that I want to give this will be the SQL, and here I want to give this SQL, and just copy this ID name, come in the script file, and here I give the const SQL code, and after that I use the till symbol. Inside that we paste the code and use the document dot get element by ID, and inside that paste this ID. Inner HTML, inner text will be equal to the this SQL. Just copy this and paste this here. Now see, this will be done, and inside that I want to go code. For that, come here and SQL code, just copy this, paste inside this, and right click, copy this one and change on the btn section. Where is, yeah, now let me close this and see. Okay, see, here I was JavaScript, Python is coming, and SQL. Okay, here I want to give the little bit more space. We can give, and these are not coming top. Yeah, now see, we have completed this part, and these are responsive also. When I was see reduce this size, see this all are coming like this. Now in the next video we cover our next part, this all this PHP and all other thing, all this. Thank you for the watching this video. For till this we have almost cover all the this W3 school. Thank you so much for watching.